Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Coursera account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Coursera account, begin by visiting the Coursera website. Locate the Join for Free button on the home page. Click on this button to initiate the account creation process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, create a password that meets the security requirements. Make sure your password is strong and memorable. Click on the Join button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for an activation email from Coursera. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the activation link. Click on the activation link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the Coursera website. You may be asked to complete a brief profile setup. Fill out any necessary information to complete your profile. Once your profile is set up, you will be logged into your Coursera account. Explore available courses and start your learning journey. Remember to verify your account settings for a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.